Good morning, everyone. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, today I am taking chemical formula. Did you try to do this worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can find the answer, valency of that given particular atom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, today's topic is chemical formula. How to create a chemical formula. What are the rules to form a chemical formula? Right? We are having two types of radicals, and from these two types of radical and their valency, we can form a formula. Chemical formula, right? Chemical formula is the symbolic representation of a molecule of a compound. What it gives, what information chemical formula give us? It tells us the element forming a chemical. Which are the element are reacting in to form a chemical formula to in a chemical reaction. So it gives the information about the element taking part in it. Then it indicates the number of atoms of each element present in the compound. The number of atoms present in the formula, it tell us, and the further indicate the fixed proportion by weight in which the element are present. I explain it with the example. There is an example of water.
Ma'am, which page number?
We are at page number 81.
Okay.
Example of water. The chemical name of water is dihydride oxygen, or because dihydride. The element, what are the element in this formula? Hydrogen and oxygen. These are the two atoms combining together to form water. And the atom of hydrogen is 2 and atom of oxygen is 1. So these information we can find from this formula. It indicates the number of atoms present in the formula, present in the compound. Then element combining in this compound are hydrogen and oxygen, weight and proportion. It gives the weight. The proportion is 2:1. Hydrogen, 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. And what is the weight? Molecular weight of water is 2 atom of hydrogen, so 2 multiply 1, because the molecular weight of hydrogen is 1. Then molecular weight of oxygen is 18 and it has only 1 atom. Due to this, only 16 is here. 2 plus 16 and it is equal to the 18. This is the molecular weight of water. So the chemical formula tells us about the element chemical formula and the proportion of atom in the formula and number of atoms present in the formula. These information we can find from the chemical formula. Writing the chemical formula. How can we write the chemical formula? There is some rules we have to follow to write chemical formula. First is write positive radical first. Positive radicals is written first. Then with the valency, with their valency, if it is +1, +2, +3, whatever it is, and the negative valency written later. Negative radical right later. Radicals is written later. Then suppose calcium hydroxide लिखना है, then we have to write calcium because it has the positive 2 +2 valency, and oxide, if we write oxide then write the valency of oxide, negative valency at later. First we have to write the positive radical with their valency, then negative radicals with their valency. The next is the charges present on the top are interchanged. These are the charges present on there. We can interchange. The charge of this is 2 and charge of oxide is 2. We can interchange them. Take 2 here and take 2 here. Then this 2 write with this calcium and this 2 write with the oxide, and the formula is CaO, because Ca2 or O2, these 2 and 2 cancel by each other and it becomes CaO if they are having the same valency. If both the negative
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
some disturbance is here. Yes. If they are having the same valency, negative and positive radical, then the formula is this. In case if they are having different valency, here is an example of calcium chloride. Example. First we have to write the symbol of calcium, then symbol of chloride. Calcium having the positive valency, write +2, and it has negative valency -1. Now write the valency at their bottom, 2 and 1. Then change it. 2 for the chloride and 1 for the calcium. Take calcium 1 and chloride 2. This is the formula for calcium chloride. What we have to do? Write the symbol of the element first, then their valency, +1, +2, +3, -1, -2, -3. Calcium has +2 valency, write their valency. Chloride has -1 valency, write its valency. Now write the valency at their bottom, 2 and this 1, and interchange them. 2 for the chloride and 1 for the calcium. Now we have to write calcium 1 time and chloride 2 times, Cl2, and this is the formula for calcium chloride. It is clear to you? Yes. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next example.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Sodium thiosulfate. First we have to write the symbol of sodium. What is the symbol of sodium?
Na.
Na.
Capital N.
Yes.
Small a.
Due to its Latin name natrium. Do you know this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the symbol of thiosulfate? It is H2O3. Now write their valency. Sodium has the +1 valency and thiosulfate has -2 valency. First we have to write positive radical and then negative radical with their valency. Now write their valency at the bottom and interchange them. This 1 for the thiosulfate and this 2 for the sodium. What we have to do? Now write sodium 2 times. This 2 we have to write at the bottom of the symbol. Then thiosulfate is 1 time. This is the formula for the sodium thiosulfate. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Next is aluminium nitride. For this, to write the formula, you have to learn symbol and their valency. It is the most necessary thing to write formula. Symbol and their valency. So you have to learn
Okay, ma'am.
valency. Right? Now,
Okay, ma'am.
next is aluminium nitride. First write the symbol of aluminium, symbol of nitride. Aluminium has +3 valency and nitride has -3 valency. Write the valency at the bottom, interchange the valency, and this 3 for the aluminium and this 3 for the nitride. This 3 and 3 will cancel by 1 and 1 and the formula is AlN. This is the formula for the aluminium nitride. So many example we can take.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next is some important radicals and their charges. There are 2 types of charges, electropositive and electronegative. Here are the example of electropositive and electronegative charges. You have to learn all the valencies given in the table, symbols and valencies of positive radical and symbols and valency of negative radical. I will ask you in our next class about the symbol and valency. If there are positive valency or negative valency, plus valency, 2 valency, 3 valency, you have to learn all the valency. I will take test in next class. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Write the
Okay, ma'am.
formula of this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, prepare it well. Then, can you do this? The some important compound used commonly in chemical equation. Carbon monoxide is CO, carbon dioxide CO2, sulfur dioxide SO2, sulfur trioxide, tri means 3, SO3, nitrogen dioxide NO2, nitride oxide NO, hydrogen peroxide. You have to learn this formula also.
Okay, ma'am.
If you want to
Okay, ma'am.
any clarification, I can give you any one of the formula. Do you want?
No.
Okay.
No,
Come to the
ma'am.
worksheet.
No, ma'am.
Come to the worksheet. Can you give the formula for this? Copper chloride.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, how can you give the formula for this? Which means 2. What is this 2? What is the,
Cu2 plus.
this 2 indicate what?
Ma'am, we can't see the board. Okay now.
What is the meaning of this 2? Anyone can? See,
Ma'am, it is bivalent.
bivalent.
Valency of 2.
Then if I write here 3, it means what?
Trivalent. Valency of 3.
If I
It
write
is
here
trivalent.
1, it means you have to give formula according to this 2 valency, right? So what we have to do? Write the formula of copper, then chloride. Valency of copper is 2, then chloride valency has 1. Write their valency at the bottom. Interchange them and write the formula CuCl2. This is the formula for copper chloride. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Do it yourself.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
If you found any problem, you can ask in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Match the following and all the question. Can you do this yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next topic is chemical equation. See, slowly we are going for the writing chemistry, chemical equation, chemical formula, all the things. First we have to learn, and we learned about the symbol, then valency, then chemical formula. Now from this we can write chemical equation. How can two compound or more than 2 compound react and form a new compound? This is known as chemical equation. In this, there are 2 types of 2 part of this reaction. Chemical reaction is a symbolic representation of an actual chemical reaction. It has 2 parts: reactant part